In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Kajabi scheduler to your coaching program. This is an exciting step if you're looking to enhance your online coaching experience and manage your sessions more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to kajabi.com. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to log in using either your email or Google account. So enter your credentials and log in to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options. What you need to do next is to open the products tab from your dashboard. This tab is essential as it holds all the components you need for setting up your coaching program. Once you're in the products area, scroll down and select coaching. This is crucial as you want to ensure that you're working within the correct section dedicated to coaching services. Moving along, within the coaching section, you'll see a choice labeled programs. Click on this to view or create programs under your coaching services umbrella. Now you'll want to create your first coaching program if you haven't already. So look for the plus new coaching program button and click on it to get started. This will open up a new set of options tailored specifically for your coaching setup. Next, click the Get Started button. This will prompt you to decide whether you want to offer a single session or a package of sessions. Consider your coaching style and what your clients might prefer. Once you've made your choice, you'll be presented with a prompt to gather more details. Be sure to fill out all necessary information regarding your coaching program, things like session names, descriptions, and any other relevant details that would help define your service. Having completed the prompt, click Continue. This will lead you to the step where you select your scheduling preference. It's a crucial part of setting up how your clients will interact with you and book their sessions. After making this selection, click Continue once more. This is your gateway to further customizing your coaching program, tweaking details, and ensuring everything aligns with your professional goals and client expectations. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect the Kajabi scheduler to your coaching program and start managing your coaching sessions with ease and efficiency. Just remember, tailoring your approach to match your client's needs can significantly impact your success, so make sure everything is as you want it before you start. Thank you for joining me. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your coaching platform.